3, 2, 1.
I don't know what I'm doing. I guess that's my thing now. But listen, guys, welcome to Bink Sec, where today you're going to see something incredible. Okay, guys? I have not played Fortnite in about 2 years. Okay? I've been in college, I have 2 kids, doing the daddy thing, getting thrown up on, stuff like that. You guys know what I mean. So, haven't touched the console in like 2 or 3 years. Very, very rusty, okay? But I guarantee you that in 3 to 6 months, I'm gonna be up there with the top dogs, okay? You're gonna see my journey from what you're gonna see today, which oh god, I don't even know what it's gonna be like. And of course, if you like the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you know when more videos are coming out. Because like I said, man, I'm about to flood this every day with videos, man. So I hope you like the video. My gameplay is going to be a little rusty, but like I said, give me a couple of months and I'm going to be a top dog. So let's get into it. Alright guys, it's about to go down. 3 years of rustiness in the making. So if I die really quick, don't laugh, because I'm gonna get better. Okay? I'm gonna get better. You just wait. I'm gonna be waxing him and taxing him. I don't know what that means, but it rhymed. Alright, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. Slacking. This skin is pretty dope. This skin is pretty dope. Not even gonna lie, guys. Alright, guys. Where are we going? Where are we going? Whipping Woods? Slurpy Swamp? You know what? Let's get it. Slurpy Swamp it is. Pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of people there. I wanna check out this glider. Oh, that dough. Oh, that. Get away, this is mine. Mine. I'm gonna pick you up because there's nothing else around. But I don't really like you. Definitely picking you up. Oh, yes. Give me something good. Freaking bow. Are you kidding me? Freaking bow, guys. Come on. Oh, yep, I'll take you. I will definitely take you. Throw this piece of garbage out. Get up in here. Get up in here. Let me take this. Go fast, go find fast gorilla over there. Let's get a crack-a-lackin' dog. Ooh, I will take that. Doopity boop. Doopity boop. Doop doopity boop. Oh man, that glider is dope. That glider is dope, not gonna lie. Let's see what's up in here, man. Oh, tire got me up there. Alright, come on now. Oh, mechanical parts. I will take that. Definitely take that. No, I don't want you. Let's get it crack-a-lackin'. Oh, who's this guy? What's up, guy? Chug cannon? Chug cannon? What is a chug cannon? Do I have enough for that? What is a chug cannon, ladies and gentlemen? Let's check this thing out. What is that? Is that a new gun from this update? What is that? Exotic? I'm feeling that. Alrighty, guys. Let's go check out what this chuck cannon does, man. Get some of this ammo. A chug cannon? Where's everybody, man? Come on. I gotta use this chug cannon. Alrighty. So, I guess... Oh, slurpy, slurpy, slurpy. Oh my god. How far am I away? Oh, I'm pretty far. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Without even figuring out what this slurpy gun is. Uno momento, guys. Come on, come on. Help me, baby. Help me. Oh, I did not make it. Oh my god. Oh my god. You kidding me right now? I'm gonna die, guys. I'm gonna die. This is what I get for thinking I can play. And this is definitely me dying. This is definitely me. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna sit right here. And I'm just gonna die, guys. Just gonna die, guys. Good thing about Team Rumble is I still have that gun. What is that? Where you at, player? I just seen you, player. Oh, let's check out that chest right there. Get some ammo up in her. What is this? No, I don't want that. I'll take a pump for now. Come on now. Come on now, player. Come on, guy. I want to slime you. I really don't know what this gun does, but I want to find out. Like, does it help my people? Oh, dude got me. Dude got me right before I could find out. Alright guys, as you can see, after 2 years, I was horrible. I mean, what did I die? In like 5 minutes? It's all good though. It's all good though. This was the first try. Give you guys a little sample. Give you guys a little tease every day. I'm not going to be playing for hours and hours and hours on yet until I start getting a little better. But that was a little bit of tease. Apparently that chug gun has been out since season 5. I didn't even know about that. Like I said, I've been under a rock for 3 years. But like I said earlier, I will be throwing content every day. So of course, I'm going to get a lot better. Since gaming is in my blood, I'm going to get better way faster, guys. I'm telling you, be patient with me. Watch my journey. And because not only am I going to be playing games with my kids, games with my friends, I'm going to vlog. I like to travel, stuff like that. I'm gonna just spit content out all the time. So like I said earlier, if you like what I'm doing, if you like my videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that bell notification so you know when every video is coming out. And let's get it, guys.